Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hera Mirza. So we'll show you how to use PPE kit. This is the sterilized pack which I'm opening right now. It contains the stuff, coverall suit with tape with attached hood, leggings, face shield, mask, nitrile gloves, BMW bag for disposal and wrap. Along with that, you can see that there is a date of manufacturing and date of expiry is mentioned. Let's open it.
This is coverall hood.
So this is coverall
Hood
gown with attached hood
and a shoe cover.
and shoe covers. This is face shield,
Wrap,
wrap,
BMW,
yellow color bag for disposal
and hood.
and
Separate hood.
separate hood in emergencies. So it also contains mask and the pair of gloves to be wear. So before we start the process of donning, here is a sequence of it. So let's proceed. Before we proceed, let's sanitize the hand in a proper manner. After sanitization, first step is shoe cover. After wearing a inner gloves. For the process, you may need one assistant. So be ready with it. Sit comfortably, sanitize your hand and wear a shoe cover. In the back, pair of shoe cover has already provided. Just wear it before you wear a gown. It will protect your feet from the infection. Again, sanitize your hand as it is of utmost importance. Now next step is proceed to wear a coverall gown. Before you wear a gown, just make it confirm the safety, the zip and if there is any default. Once the safety is checked, start wearing the gown. All this procedure is supposed to be done in specific donning area with all safety precautions. Again, sanitize your hand. Then take a mask. Apply it over your face. Use goggle or face shield to cover. Or you can use hood to make more safety precaution. And then we have to wear the outer pair of gloves. So here we are for the patient safety, and before that our safety, so PPE is must.